we're gonna play Subway Surfers brand new update, and I'm only focusing on Among Us. If you guys haven't seen it, where have you been? There's 15 days until this ends, and this is gonna be bad. Because I can't finish. Because I can't get all 60 tokens. But I'm gonna try. Okay, I'm just gonna get this video out of here. Guys, I'm gonna try to recreate the 6-7 meme, and I want you guys to spam in all comments of videos saying 62, 62, 62, 62, 62. Because that's the age. Catboy. Oh no, actually. Catboy would die. I'm just kidding. No! Ow! Yeah, guys, this is a lie. You know what? You're gonna make me believe that I'm gonna get a free tablet from Temu. After I join, I don't even got an account. Temu's getting way too expensive. Hold on, let me get comfortable. No, I was too late. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Okay, I'm not so bad. Just shut up. I better not see you in the comments saying 6, 7. Say 6'2", 6'2", 62, 6'2", 6'2", 6'2". It's hard for me to try new things because I can't trust them because I sometimes throw up from eating it. And it makes my body in it like almost feeling like I have a heart attack. I'm not saying I'm allergic because my throat doesn't swell up or anything bad happens. It just makes my heart beat really fast and I throw up. Can someone tell me why I feel my throat beating in my heart beating in my throat? It's not like in the bottom of my body. I was about to say, if I had to watch another ad, I'm quitting. Save my life. I have nothing else to do. I would have been at 89 already. Got it. What did I get? Just 2 things? What should I do next? Hawaii or Washington? I'm gonna do Hawaii. Aww. Hawaii does not look like this. Where's my box of tissues? I'm not sick. My fans is blasting in my face right now. It's really quiet. No! No, I can't. See you guys in part 2. Bye.